Hi, what is the value of a given that you have 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of a equals 80? From here we have 2 to the power of a in common, so we can have here to be 2 to the power of a open parenthesis. This divided by this will give us 1, plus this 2 to the power of a divided by this will give us 1 equals 80. So from here we have 2 to the power of a multiplied by 1 plus 1 will give us 2 equals 80. So dividing through by 2, this will take away this. So we're going to left with 2 to the power of a equals 80 divided by 2 will give us 40. Then from here we have 2 to the power of a to be equals 2 times 20 will give us 40. Then let's introduce log. We have log 2 to the power of a equals log 2 times 20. Then recall that when we have log p to the power of m equals m multiplied by log p, the power will come down to base here. So this power a will come down to base. We have a multiplied by log 2 equals log 2 times 10. So from here, recall also that when we have log a times b in parentheses as this equals log a plus log b. Applying it here, we are going to have a multiplied by log 2 equals log 2 plus log 10. Dividing through by this log 2. Here will also be divided by log 2. So this we divide by this will give us 1. Times this we have a to be equals log 2 plus log 10, all divided by log 2. Then let's separate this to be a equals, dividing this one by this, log 2 divided by log 2 plus this, log 10 divided by log 2. So we're going to have a to be equals, this we also divide by this to give us 1 plus log, you can have 10 to be 5 to be also times 2 divided by this log 2. Applying this law, the previous one, we can also have this as a equals 1 plus log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 2. So from here we can have this to be a equals 1. Divide this one by this, or let's write this first, will be log 2 divided by log 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2. So this will give us a equals 1 plus this log 2 divided by this log 2 will give us 1 plus log 5 divided by this log 2. We have a to be equals 1 plus 1 will give us 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2. Then recall that when we have log a divided by log b equals as log of a in base of b. So when we apply it here, we are going to have a to be equals 2 plus log 5 in base 2 to be the value of a. Then let us check. We have 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of a equals 80. And our a equals this, so we're going to have 2 to the power of 2 plus log 5 in base 2 plus 2 to the power of 2 plus log 5 in base 2. Then is it going to give us 100? So from here, we have this to be repeated twice. So we can have it is 2 to the power of 2 plus log 5 in base 2. So multiply by this divided by this will give us 1. This divided by this will also give us 1. Then it's going to give us 100. So from here, we have 2 to the power of 2 plus log 5 in base 2 multiplied by this 2. Then it's going to give us 100. Also recall from law of indices that when we have a to the power of m plus n equals a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So applying it here, we can have this to be 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of log 5 in base 2, then multiply by 2. So is it going to give us 100? 2 to the power of 2 will give us 4. Multiply by these 2. Multiply by 2 to the power of log 5 in base 2. Then it's going to give us 100. So from here, 4 times 2 will give us 8. Multiply by 2 to the power of log 5 in base 2. So then it's going to give us 8c, not 100. Here will be 8c. Here also will be 8c. Here also will be 8c. Here also will be 8c. So from here, look at this very well. They have the same base as this. So the output will be 5, because when we have a to the power of log b in base a, this a to the power of log b in base a, this and this are the same. We have b to the output. So here will be 8 times this 5, which equals 80.